Welcome. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to turn on live stream on Mobile Legends. First, open up Mobile Legends on your phone and look for the Game Live icon on the main menu. Tap on it to proceed. On the next screen, you will see a button at the bottom that says Create Channel. Tap on it. Now you can customize your channel by giving it a title, a short description, so people know what your channel is all about, and picking a category that best fits the content you plan to stream. Once that is done, at the top of the screen you will find the Enable Live Streaming button. Tap it. A prompt may appear asking you to allow Mobile Legends access to your phone's microphone and camera. Make sure you allow it so you can be heard and seen on your stream. You'll then be asked to choose your preferred streaming platform. Either Facebook or YouTube. Select the one you use for streaming. If this is your first time, you will need to enter your login information for your chosen platform. After you do that, take some time to configure your stream settings to your liking. You can adjust things like the stream quality to match your internet speed, resolution for the video clarity, and frame rate for smooth gameplay. You can also decide if you want to have your chat visible during the stream, accept donations from viewers, or even enable highlights. When you're happy with how everything looks, hit the Start Streaming button at the bottom of the screen. Now you can jump into any game mode in Mobile Legends and start playing while you're live. Don't forget a few things. A stable internet connection will make sure your stream runs smoothly. Headphones can help to reduce background noise for your viewers. And remember to interact with your viewers in the chat to build a strong community. Thank you for watching. Subscribe